Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Audi Allroad 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.